Welcome, my people. Now, in this channel, I do educational edutainment. We train the children for book. I'm also interested in other talent development of kids, young learners, as well as engaging activities like making craft. If possible, if I know how to do some craft, or if I learn a new craft or a new to things, how things, survival skills, simple stuff to do, then I'm going to share it on this channel as well. So, but the focus mainly is book to talent. So anything from you learn the book, but then don't forget to apply. So this is holiday time. Let the kids also play, and from time to time also bring in fun entertainment, play activities that is good for young learners, something that will help them to learn and also build their confidence. Okay, so that's for channel. Please join, subscribe. In today's class, I'm going to be teaching you guys or giving you something that you can use for your young learners. Long division, what you call umbrella division. Long division. I used to know it as long division, but recently I heard umbrella division or umbrella. Let me just put it here. Umbrella division. I don't know, maybe some years later they may call it basket division. I'm playing. Okay, sometimes I play in this class, but let's be serious now. Uh, so we are looking at single digits. Yeah, single digits numbers, single digits. So how do you do it? So normally, if you are dividing something like let's say 4 divided by 2, this is an improper fraction. This is exactly divisible and the result will be 2, right? So, but we are looking at where you have a proper fraction. You already know what a proper fraction is. For example, 2 over 4 is a proper fraction. Yes, because the numerator is less than the denominator. So, but you can break this down. You also know you can divide by 2, divide here by 2, divide here by 2, you get 1. You divide here by 2, you get over 2. So you already know this. So this is a proper fraction. If you say 1 divided by 2, right? So let's start with this example because it's too simple. So most times when you want to learn, it's good to start with simple examples too. When you are doing long division, you write it like this. You put maybe like a small close bracket like that, and then you roll a line. And remember to allow enough space above. Let me erase this one now. So remember, always have enough space above like this, so you'll be able to use those space to think and to solve the problem. So what to do? Yeah, 2 go into 1. How many 2s are in 1? There's 0 2s. So if you are looking at units, so here, this is unit. You know your tens, there are exactly 0 tens. Okay. There are 0 tens here. There are 0 units in of 2 in 1. So, and then after that you have decimal point before tenths. Yeah, before tenths and hundred. Yeah. So normal, I think you write it with a lowercase t to indicate that it's a tenth, 1 out of 10. So there are 0 units, so you write the 0 under the units, puts your decimal point. But then how do you divide 1 by 2? The trick will now be to take, let's imagine a bar, maybe a bar of soap, and then you have to share it across 2 people. Since you are working with decimals, right? Since you are working with decimals, right? You divide it into 10 bits. Okay, and so I should have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'm going to cut my bar like this. Let's say we have this bar. This is 10 bits, right? Or you are going to group it into two. So let's say one, let's call one person angle and then dot. So we are taking equal, right? Angle dot, angle dot, angle dot, angle dot. So angle representing one person, and dot representing another person, right? So one, two, how many each person take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that means the angle has 5 and then the dot has 5. Yeah. So having what you've done here, you've divided this one into 10 bits, right? You understand? So you've divided this 10 in one into 10 parts. You've cut it, divided it into 10 parts. Then each person will take 5 each. So 5 times 2 is 10. So that means at the end of the day, there's 0 remaining to share again. Do you understand? So it's as simple as that. Let's call this example 1. Okay, let's call this example 1. So should we do another example? Okay, let's see another example.